So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can clone your voice free with Minimax in 2026. So how to do this, let's get started. First what you need to do is open your Google Chrome and then search for Minimax. Once you do this, make sure on the same website, on the official website, you click on this minimax.io. And once you're here, just click on these three lines which appears here and then select Minimax Speech 2.6. Click on this. After that, click on try audio now and then click on this. And once you're here, scroll down a bit till you find clone your voice. Just click on try now, and then here you can record your audio or you can drop a file. Make sure you can only drop up to 20 MB each. So just go according to this, and you can just, once you upload your file, just click on this generate button and it will completely generate your voice for free. So yes, this is how you can do it guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so you can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.